Hey guys, now in today's video we're taking a look at the MetaQuest 3S, which is one of the most immersive and affordable mixed reality headsets that I've seen on the market to date. We're going to take a look at the features, we're going to talk about why you'd consider something like this, and also this has been packed with tons of upgrade that is going to make the MetaQuest experience, that mixed reality experience, incredible. Let's get right to it. Now the MetaQuest 3S is really focused on giving you a mixed reality experience. And now those of you may be asking, well, what's mixed reality? Well, this gives you the ability to see everything that's around you. So if you were in your living room, your dining room, your kitchen, your bedroom, or if you're outside, you're going to be able to see everything that's there normally. But you'll also be able to have things on top of it. Imagine seeing Netflix in your room, still seeing your room, but then also seeing a ginormous screen that has Netflix. Imagine playing a game and still seeing every part of your home and also the game that you're playing. And also computing as well. So you can see a giant computer screen while you're still looking through the specific goggles, right? So again, Meta has done a really great job with the Quest 3S, making it not just affordable, but also powerful. This solution has two configuration options, 128 gigabytes, or also you have a 256. It's featuring the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, which is going to give you 2 times GPU type experiences. So you're not going to see lag, you're not going to see slowdown. It is going to be a very smooth experience, especially because it has 8 gig of RAM. Now, the other thing I would say is that because of all these enhancements, you're going to see a better performance. If you're coming from a previous version and you're considering upgrading to this new guy, it's about 33% better performance. The resolution is 1832 by 1920. It does have those Fresnel lenses, and it's 20% slimmer than the Quest 2. That's a big deal, especially if you're going to be wearing this and also gaming with this. Now, the mixed reality experience is also really good. You basically have multiple sensors that you're going to see. Each one of these things that you see here is a sensor that is allowing you to see depth. It's allowing you to see what's happening in the room. It's doing a lot of tracking. So it's not just like a camera, like if you're using your iPhone or your Android phone and you're taking a picture, but it's actually helping you be situationally aware in the room you're in. Now, the cool thing about this, and you're going to see this here in the back, this got me sold immediately. The fact that this comes with Batman. So this comes with Batman, and that's another cool feature or game that you'd be able to play. Now, the bad thing about the MetaQuest 3, well, there isn't anything really bad, but you're talking about something that's going to consume a lot of your time, because once you start using this, you get hooked. Battery life is going to be about 2.5 hours. 4,324 milliamp hour battery. So let's take a closer look at it. We'll see. Also, I have some accessories. And I have accessories like, let me bring this on camera. I got this guy right here, and I also have the remotes and a charging station. So you'll want to see them all. All right, so let's take a closer look at the Quest 3. So the Quest 3 has multiple cameras and sensors going on, giving you all that goodness that we talked about, the ability to be able to see around you and also project and see the items that are in front of you that you'll have in that mixed reality type experience. So definitely not a Cyclops here, but it looks more like somebody who has military goggles on. I really like that look. So you have volume rocker. You also then have over here the mixed reality button that you can turn on and off. You have your power button. You have USB-C. And pretty much this is a similar experience that you've seen with the other Meta products or other Quest versions. You have your lenses are not automatic. They don't shift automatically. They don't go to the left and right. You actually have to move them with your finger, and they click into a specific position in order to get them aligned well with your eyes. So similar design, but much lighter in weight. You have your controllers right here, haptic feedback, right? And you can use your hands if that's something that you choose to do as well. And then what you have here is your charging station. And the cool thing about your charging station is that on the bottom, you'll notice that there's a symbol here that shows that you do have the ability to charge your Quest 3. So there's a cable that basically comes into the charging station to charge it. And then there's a cable that comes out and charges your Meta Quest 3. So basically what you could do is you can have it something like this. Let me position this a little bit differently. You can just put this just like this and then have it charging, right? And then have everything charging at the same time. So these guys are going to charge, and then you can actually have the cable charging your glasses or your goggles, actually. Let me go ahead and put these on for those of you who are interested in what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and put them on. And the hard thing about this is capturing the experience, right? Because it's very difficult to. But I'm going to go ahead and put it on. As soon as I put it on, I actually just turned it on, so I see the Meta symbol coming up in front of me. But this is what they would look like when they're on. So again, depending on the contour of your face, you may have to change the shield. I could probably change the shield on this one. So far, I'm okay with it. It's pressing on on here on my cheekbones, and then I already see in the mixed reality. I actually see here a screen, right, with my recents. And no surprise, guys, I've been playing Beat Saber a lot, so it's there. There's some other games and things that I'm looking at. But the cool thing is that as I'm moving my hands, I actually see my hands. There's an outline of my hands. And then right here, there is an actual button that I can press, a Meta button, that if I bring my fingers together, I can actually bring up a menu. And here I can see right in front of me, now that entire screen, so I have my teleprompter here and my camera here, has been overlaid by another screen. And if I were to look over to the side, and then I were to look at my hand, I can press and hold again. And then what's going to do is it's going to take it from over here, and it's going to shift it over here. So really cool. So, and also as you're looking at it, your hand also becomes an outline. So it's literally outlining my fingers, my thumbs. It knows where everything's at. Now keep in mind that you could also use your controller, right? So now that I have my controller in my hand, it sees the controller, and now I have a target. It has like a little laser beam that's coming out. And this is frankly what, you'll have to put on the straps, because if you're playing Beat Saber, things can fly and can get really dangerous. Just be wary of that. It gets crazy. So again, this is what it would look like when it's on. And again, the mixed reality capabilities based off of the price point of this unit is actually really good. Definitely no need to get the larger Apple product. Much better value here, and also has a fantastic library of games. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the crush-proof case. And this case is really crush-proof. Watch this. I'm not able to squeeze this down at all. So this is going to go great in your backpack, in luggage, although I would probably take it with me on carry-on because guess what? You're going to want to play on the plane. And it's just, again, really, really sturdy. And as we take a look at what's inside, let me go ahead and open it up. You can see how nicely everything gets placed in here. So you have room for everything. You have both controllers, you have room for the Quest 3, and then also you have a little area right here, I'll move this over to the side, where you can put additional accessories in here and just store things here. Your cables, your charging, I would say brick could go here. And nothing gets pushed or pressed. So you're not going to have anything damaged. This, my friends, is a must-have accessory. So guys, make sure you check out the Quest 3S. It is a fantastic product, lightweight, great battery life, incredibly immersive. And you know what? You can have family time too. Nil and I play these. So she has hers, I have mine, and we play Beat Saber together. There's other games that we play together. We get pretty competitive. What I like about this is, given that I can see what's going on around me, I will not hurt myself or hurt anyone else. See you in the next video.